Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. Today, we are showing you this house and lot for sale located inside the secured subdivision here in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. This is near SNR and NLEX. This property is priced at 13 million pesos. It has a lot area of 120 square meters, floor area of 204 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining, and kitchen, service kitchen, study, balcony, and 1 carport. Contact us for viewing. So let's check it out. As we can see, the facade of the house is very modern design. Mixture of metal, wood design, and of course, the use of neutral colors. Ang ganda ng grill natin dito. This is your 1 carport right here. Tapos meron tayong glass detail dito sa ating fence, which adds to the modern design ng bahay. This is your pedestrian gate. Come in. Doorbell is working. Okay. As we enter, we have these steps right here. Ito malaki ang potential nito, guys. If you are into gardening, maganda to, or ipa-landscape pa natin. Very nice. We have steps right there. And step up here, this is your front door. Okay? But before we go, pakita natin yung loob ng ating carport dito. And of course, our service area right there. Okay? Now, going back, I also like this wood design na tile sa wall natin as an accent dito sa malaking window dito. Also, itong mga lights na to, it's very nice to look at night, no? Napakaganda. Big wooden door, high ceiling, guys. Ang ganda ng height niya. As we enter, diba, you will be greeted by this open living space na very bright and airy, because when you open this sliding door, is talagang papasok yung natural na fresh air natin. Plus, it also has a screen door which allows you to be protected from the insects from going in. This will be your living area. Of course, your sofa will go right here. Your TV will go right here. Air conditioning are included. We have shelves and also storage underneath. Diba? Very nice stair design. Ito guys, very industrial yung dating niya kasi exposed na metal siya, then glass plus wood. Okay? Your dining area will be right here underneath this beautiful light fixture. Pwede dito up to mga 6-seater. Dining table, very nice. Your kitchen, meron tayong island counter right here which has storage underneath. You have enough space there for your stools. Ano lang yung atake sa kanyang kitchen ay light colors, no? Wooden accents dito sa ating doors, di ba? Ayan, no? Tapos you have your sink, your range, and your range hood. You have outlets right there. Plus, pinaka nagustuhan ko is we have this counter right here sa kabilang side, which can be your coffee station or a bar or anything you want it to be, no? Meron tayo ditong storage underneath and also drawers na soft closing ang mechanism. Okay? We have also this sliding door right here na screen din siya, may screen siya, going to the service area. Okay? The service area, very nice countertop, storage at top, and of course, at the bottom. Drawers are also soft closing. Then this is your 1 carport. Now, the door here is your staff room. Okay? So we have this good space na for our staff. Plus, they have their own toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and shower area. Really nice. Okay? Heading back inside the house. Take a look. Our kitchen, our dining area, and our living area. Ang ganda rin ng choice na ginawa nilang wood design yung ating ceiling. And I think hindi siya panel ha, wood talaga siya. I can see the imperfections. Napakaganda. Okay? Now, we have a bedroom on the ground floor. This one. Good space for a single or twin bed. We have our cabinet right here. Yan, 2-layer ang ating rack. So, plus, we have open shelvings right here. Tapos, ang laki ng window. Tapos, may window pa on the side. So, it's really bright, no? Let's head out. Now, let's go to the second floor. Okay? By the way, guys, kung makita nyo, yung ating street dito is very calm and relaxing because tree-lined siya. So, maraming puno dito sa area na to. Okay? Step up, you have this wooden slab sa ating stairs. Like I said before, we have this metal, wood, and glass combination. This one is overlooking your living area. Now, let me just turn this on. Wow, yan. Mas maganda siya pag naka-turn on. Yan. Okay. Now, where do we start? Let's start sa first bedroom natin, which is right here by the stairs. We have this nice space. The bed will go right here. You have a cabinet right here. Open shelvings. Big window. All of the rooms have their air conditioning. Okay? Now, this one is your toilet and bath. Shared toilet and bath. Very nice ang size niya. We have this rainfall shower. We have a ventilation na window dito. Toilet, and interesting in design ng sink niya, oh. Check it out. Ang ganda. Then you have your mirror na lighted. Okay? Another bedroom is this one. Similar space. Malawak din siya. Bed will go right here. You have your cabinet, open shelvings, big window na meron ng installed na blinds. So, very nice to kasi hindi ka na mag-add ng blinds. Okay, tapos if you want to make it brighter, ganyan. Air conditioning is installed. Really nice. Mauna tayo dito sa space dito for, I think this is a family area. Or playroom if you have kids. Ang maganda po dito is we have this space to my right, which is the study. You have desks right here. Diba? Pwede ka meron ng chair dito. For those of you na work from home, this is perfect kasi may station ka dito with outlets, window for natural light and ventilation, outlets dyan. Really nice. Plus, this area has an access, a sliding door leading to your front balcony, which is right here. Let me just... May space ka dito to chill. In the afternoon, di ba? Have your coffee or even in the morning. Presko dito, mahangin. Like I said, kasi may mga trees siya around. Okay, and let me just mention these beautiful curtains na in-install nila. Very nice. Ako, fan talaga ako ng sheer curtains. Tapos if you want blackout, you can have this na i-close na ganyan if you want blackout na curtain. So, dalawa siya. Okay? Now, let's head to the master bedroom. Ang ganda rin ng light fixture dito. Really nice wood design din sa ceiling natin. Now, let me just turn this on. Wow! You have this space right here for your master bedroom. You have the bed dito. Dito ilalagay yung bed. You have outlets on either side. And this pendant lighting, diba? Perfect to. At night, if you read, diba? Very nice. You have this console right here for your television. You have air conditioning, open shelvings, and your own balcony, just like the other side ng house. Really, really nice. So you can chill in the afternoon or evening, di ba? After a day's work. Napakaganda niyan. Okay? And of course, this is your gate sa front ng house natin. Let's now check the master bathroom. So here guys, ang maganda kasi you have this dedicated space for your clothes, diba? And a vanity here, diba? You have a lighted vanity right here where you can fix yourself, diba? For your grooming and skincare, diba? Itong height ng ating mirror maganda rin kasi whole body siya. So you can check your outfit before you go. Plus, you have your master bathroom right here na may enclosed shower. Windows for natural light and ventilation. We have this shampoo niche right here, very important. Sabi ko nga, enclosed shower, rainfall shower head, toilet, and your sink na lighted din siya. I think this is perfect na starter house, no? Kasi ang ganda ng price, plus you get more than what you pay for, I think, no? So, let's do the recap. This property is priced at 13 million pesos. It has a lot area of 120 square meters, floor area of 204 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining, and kitchen, service kitchen, study, balcony, and 1 carport. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.